Tomorrow again ya? Yeah.
No, 99 more.
No.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to experiment and also play game. And this game is called the ear test challenge, and it will be so fun. So for this game we will need 5 identical glasses, 1 jug of water, 1 metal spoon, 1 blindfold, 5 food colorants, and of course 1 rug. And I'm gonna ask my puppy to fill it. Puppy, can you come here to fill it?
What should I do, Rina?
Can you help to fill it?
With the water.
Yes, with the water, but you need to make sure it's in the different level.
Okay, sure, Rina.
Then I will put the food colorant. Poppy, can you help this one?
Sure.
It's too hard. Before we start the game, let's hear each sound of each colors. Green, okay, and then pink, and then red is like this, blue, yellow. Poppy, would you like to try?
Sure, Rina. Thank you.
You're welcome. Before we start the game, let's do rock, paper.
Okay, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
Hey, Poppy, because you lose, you need to wear this blindfold.
Okay.
And then I will play some colors. Then you to guess.
Siap.
Are you ready?
Yes. Okay.
Can you see me?
No.
What do you need to guess? What is that?
Green, red, blue, and pink.
Yay!
Okay, Rina, 1 point for me. Now it's your turn.
Okay.
I help you to use the blindfold.
Blind, because it's blind, so I cannot see everything.
Yes.
Can I have? What?
Okay.
Huh? Okay.
Can you see me?
No.
Okay.
I don't wear you.
Listen to me carefully.
Again? Okay, I get it. Green, pink, red, blue.
Yay! Can you repeat it? Green, pink,
Nhúng.
blue, yellow.
Tetot. Wrong.
Oh no!
Repeat again. Okay, maybe I get it. Oh. Can I have yellow, then blue, then maybe pink, green is red.
Yeah, you're right.
Yay! 2 points for me. I win. Okay, Poppy. Now the game is playback challenge. So this is more fun and this is really fun. So how to do it is I am gonna play some tones, then you two play back my tone.
Okay.
Then each person who loses need to wear a blindfold. Then after that, somebody he or she need to play the tone. Then after that, they need to play back.
Okay. Sure. Let's do rock, paper, scissors. Okay?
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yay! I'm the winner. You're the first one. Listen carefully.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Again. I don't know.
Try.
I'm just gonna guess. I guess this one, then this one, then this one.
No. Repeat. Okay.
Jadi kayak mas.
Correct? Yay!
Again? Okay, I get it. This one.
Yes.
Yay!
Repeat. It's easy, Rena. I'm here. Correct or no? Correct.
Yeah.
Yes. Because I got 2 points and you got 1 point, so I'm the winner. Yay!
Poppy, you
Finish,
win.
finish. Tomorrow again ya?
You win.
Yeah.
No, 99 more.
No.
Did you know that sounds travels to our ears? You know what's happened before? Sounds goes in the air, then travels to our ears. And for this conclusion experiment is smaller the air column, the pitch will be low. The bigger the air column, the pitch will be higher. That's the end of the game. Isn't it so fun? And don't forget to play with your parents. I'm Stella Reina, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Bye. See you in the next video.